Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some Ipsy Glam Bag Plus spoilers for December 2020. Yes guys, December 2020. It's November 1st today, and I'm doing spoilers for December 1st. I'm excited. These are really good spoilers, and I'm so excited to get into it. I've already done the regular spoilers, and I'm about to do the ultimate too, so go check those videos out when you're done with this if you haven't already, but I am so pumped. These spoilers are really good throughout all of the bags, so I think you guys are going to be really happy. So if you are into these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. And if you would, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Right quick before we even get started, I would like to mention that I do have a Jeffree Star giveaway going on right now, so if you are interested in entering, then hit the link at the top of my description and go enter on that video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the spoilers. Now, first off, I want to talk about this bag. What? Does this bag not look so freaking soft and cozy and warm, and it screams a Merry freaking Christmas? This bag is so cute. It has the Sherpa look to it, and I'm all in it. The regular bag and the ultimate bag is equally as cute, just different colors. So I am all for this bag, okay? I love the fuzzy bag. I mean, I'm a fuzzy girl. Look at this. Love it. Anyways, let's move on to your December 2020 Glam Bag Plus spoilers. Let's get it. So, very first spoiler here is the 3-Skin 3-Phase Anti-Blemish Booster. Ooh, that sounds good. Things that don't spark joy, breakouts, and wearing masks plus dry winter air is a recipe for, well, more breakouts. To stop them before they start, reach for this super smart treatment made with potent active ingredients that target acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation, and heal skin. This is something I need because I have like some serious mask acne going on right now, you know, mask acne from like just it hugs, and I haven't had this problem until I just changed masks because my good Harry Potter one broke. So I'm wearing this like cheaper one I got from Walmart, and it's breaking me out. So I'm just like, why? But then again, I think it's because the one I was using was more raised, and this one's literally against my mouth, so I don't like it, and it's giving me maskne. So this is something I would love to have. You guys know 3-Skin is a magical formula brand, and this I need. Okay? I need this. Thank you. Next up, we have from Ciate London, the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in Cupid. Now, this screams Valentine's Day to me, okay? Just the name, Cupid. But this looks so beautiful. I love me a swipe and go kind of thing. I have so many shadow sticks. I use them a lot whenever I don't feel like doing eyeshadow and I just want to swipe on some color, okay? I use them all the time. This looks so beautiful. It looks like it goes with my Christmas decor back here. I'm going for like the pink fairy tale winter wonderland vibe, okay? And this looks so cute. It's in a rose gold, but it also looks a little more pinky. It looks so beautiful, and I want this. I want everything, okay? Next up, from Dominic Cosmetics, this is the Skin Gloss in Golden Dew, which this was a newly released product, I want to say this year or like this time last year. It's fairly new. So this actually looks really cute. I've never tried like a skin gloss before, but I've heard they're really good, but I've also heard that they're really sticky and messy and not that great and pull up your makeup, but I don't know about this specific brand, how this one is, but it's for the face, the eyes, the lips, and the body, and you can use it anywhere for an instant hit of gold luminosity. It says bonus, it's infused with hyaluronic acid to boost moisture for a truly dewy glow. So this actually looks really cute. Maybe it'd be really good for a, you know, over the lid like eyeshadow or something. I don't know, but we'll see how this goes if I get this, but it's definitely interesting and intriguing for sure. Next up, the R Plus Co Centerpiece. This is the multitasking styling spray, which is the secret to smooth, super manageable hair. It's packed with oils like shine boosting buckthorn, nourishing and strengthening vitamins E, A, and C, and hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture and combat dryness. The result, no frizz, just happy, shiny hair. Now this actually sounds really, really interesting, and I do want to give this a go for sure, because it's about that time of the year that this hair, okay, it gets a little crazy, okay? And we're not about to be buck wild, so we need some of this shine boosting buckthorn, okay? So R Plus Co, great brand, extremely expensive. Like, you won't see me walking the streets looking to buy this, okay? No, no, no. So I'll be happy to get this in a box, because I ain't paying their prices for that. Anyways, we have something from Tula next, and I'm like in a really love relationship with the brand Tula, by the way. This is the So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Sounds amazing. So it says, fact, the holiday season can be stressful, and just like you, your skin deserves a little extra TLC. Treat your complexion to this super gentle and so satisfying scrub. It's made with superfoods and probiotics like papaya and pineapple to smooth, brighten, and gently exfoliate your skin. Plus, it smells just like a tropical getaway. I was reading the like papaya and pineapple thinking I hope it smells like that, and then it said tropical getaway, so it intrigues my interest for sure. I think that this would be so nice for like when you have some clogged pores like me. I get the chin clogged bumps and I get them on my nose, just to take it and scrub the heck out of it, okay? And I think it probably would scrub some dead skin off too. Hopefully it's not too like, you know, not as scrubby. I want it to scrub my skin off. That's how much I wanted to scrub my skin off. But anyways, let's move on. So QMS, this is the Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. We've seen this brand over in BOXYCHARM, which also, if you haven't heard, and I have a video, I will link it down below, but Ipsy bought BOXYCHARM. Interesting. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on that video so we can talk about it. But yeah, so skincare that actually works around the clock. It does exist. Use this vitamin-packed face moisturizer to protect your skin from environmental aggressors during the day and to help rejuvenate your complexion at night. No matter when you apply, it boosts hydration, smooths texture, and brightens you up overall, which sounds actually really, really amazing, if I do say so myself. I have a feeling, well, I know the QMS has like products that are well over $100, so I wonder what the price is for this. I can only imagine. Next up from IBY Beauty, this is the Fireside Eyeshadow Palette. Now the name sounds great. It sounds like, you know, snuggling up to a nice warm fire with some hot chocolate, which I can't drink because I'm lactose intolerant, and the milk, ugh. Anyways, so this actually looks really cute. It's very neutral, but then it has that pop of that like pink color and then that green color, and I don't know, just something about this palette looks so beautiful. Like, it looks like a solid, beautiful palette. IBY Beauty, I've heard, is actually really good. I've had a few things from them and I don't remember what it was anymore. Like, things just kind of go and run through my mind and then I forget, but I know I've tried something from them before. I know that. Oh, I actually have like a lipstick from them and I love it. I still have it. But anyways, this is a beautiful palette. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Let's move on. Next, Complex Culture Set Go Translucent Finishing Powder. So this is a finishing powder. It looks like it's going to have one of those nets where you kind of like, you know, shh, and then there's a net there. So if you don't know, Complex Culture is Ipsy's brand. We've been seeing their brushes. Their brushes are fantastic. We just did a spoiler in the regular glam bag that has their mascara in it. So now, you know, they're making makeup. I'm intrigued. Hopefully it's good. So anyways, it's just a setting powder. It's talc free, which is great. And yeah, there's nothing else to say other than it's a powder. It's translucent and we'll see how it works if we get it. The last spoiler for the Plus, and I'm not going to be able to say this name correctly, Odysite Wild Carrot Facial Serum Concentrate Vital Glow. So it says, this brightening serum equals the ultimate gift to your skin. Super rare hand-pressed wild carrot seed oil. It's made in a small French village. Is the key ingredient here, and it's packed with antioxidants that protect, nourish your skin, and majorly amp up your glow. Smooth it on daily and trust us, everything will be merry and bright. Okay, the fact that it's the super rare hand-pressed wild carrot seed oil made in a small French village definitely makes me feel like this is gonna work. I don't know. It sounds like these people have the secret to the glow heavens and they're putting it in the serum. So I want this, okay? End of story. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. All right. So anyways, that is it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, give it a thumbs up. Like always, I want to hear all your thoughts and opinions on the Plus so far down below. And don't forget to join me tomorrow for the video where we pick our Ipsy glam bag. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!